Hi guys, it's me, Sylvia. I'm here today to show you how to make these amazing bars of soap. They smell super duper good. They're really good for you, easy to make, and just beautiful. So if you want to learn how to make these, go ahead and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much. See you next time. Okay, so the materials that we need for our soap, it's some glycerin soap base. This is clear. You can find it at any craft store. It comes in a block like this, and I cut a little bit less than half. We also have these molds that are really cute. It says handcrafted, and it was super cheap, $3. You can also find them at craft stores or order it online. I have here some coconut oil, about 1/3 of a cup. Some orange peel that is dried up. You can peel your orange and put it to dry on a paper towel for a few days and cut it up. Some oatmeal. This oatmeal is whole and blended. I also have some fresh peppermint leaves. These are for our mint soap. It's gonna look really cute. Some crystals. I don't know if I will be using them yet. Peppermint oil. Some sweet orange oil. This one is my favorite. It's so energizing. I love it. I have turmeric too. This turmeric is gonna give a little color. I also have some honey right here. So let's go ahead and make this amazing soap. Okay, so now I'm gonna melt my soap. I'm gonna do mine in a double boiler. If you don't want to do it this way, it's easy to do it in the microwave by putting it in for 15 seconds at a time. Okay, so now we will add a little bit of our orange peel to this mold right here. I will also do the oatmeal. I think it will make our soap look really cute this way. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this. I'm also gonna put now the mint leaves because I want them to be facing down this way when I pour the soap. As you can see, my soap is starting to melt. Once your soap base is almost melted, you're gonna add the coconut oil and mix it really well until it's completely dissolved. I have my soap all melted right here with the coconut oil, and I'm gonna start mixing to make the different soaps. I'm gonna use this little container since I'm making 3 different soaps. Okay, so I will start by mixing the oatmeal soap. It's great to put oats on your soap because it has cleansing properties as well as exfoliates your skin. I'm also gonna add honey, which is perfect if you're fighting acne. It gives you that perfect glow, and this soap is great for sensitive skin. I will add some lemon oil just to give it a little refreshing smell, and a little lavender. I'm kind of running out of it there. Okay, so mix very, very well until it's all combined. Okay, so once it's mixed super well, I will pour it into the mold that I want. If you want to make them the same as me, please leave a little space. Don't fill up the mold completely, so you can add a little bit of clear base on top of it. So I'm gonna start by mixing now the orange one. Oranges are also great for soap because they have a lot of citric acid, so it helps with exfoliation as well, and also to dry out acne. This turmeric is used to give it a little color, like I said. Also, orange gives you some energy. Like if you take a shower in the morning with this, it's completely amazing. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix the peppermint one. I just have some essential oil. Don't put too many drops if your essential oil is extremely strong. Mine it's not, so I'm gonna add about 10 to 15 drops. I was running out a little bit there. Mint is also really good if you have oily skin or if you're fighting acne. All of these soaps that we made are great for acne. It's also a great antibacterial, so it's wonderful in every way to add it to your soap. If you're really stressed out, once you apply it, it makes this awesome, refreshing feeling in your body, which helps your muscles relax. I'm gonna pour a little bit of clear base to fill up the rest of my molds because I want that 2-layer look. For each soap, I'm gonna add a little more essential oil. So for the orange one, I'm gonna put a few extra drops of orange into my clear base and then top off my mold with that mixture I just made. Okay, now I'm gonna pour it in and then do the same thing with the oatmeal soap. The peppermint one doesn't really need it because it's fully clear. Here's our beautiful soap. Now all we need to do is let it dry. Alright, so after a few hours, look at my soap. It's all cooled down and ready to unmold. So let's do that now. They're so beautiful. If you see what we did with the clear base, it gives it a super cute look. I am obsessed. They smell amazing. Tie them with a little rope and make a bow because I want to give them away to some of my friends. You can do the same thing. I think it's such a cute, thoughtful present.